Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to simply conduct Google Meet classes, that is online classes, how the faculty can teach online over Google Meet, where you need basically your Google account. What you need to keep in mind is basically how on the Chroma based browser you can control the different functions and do your class. So let's begin with it. First and foremost, it is required that you open Google Chrome, log into your Gmail account. After logging in, click on the 9 dots which you can see on the top right hand side corner. As you click the 9 dots, if you see, a window will fall down in which there will be a lot of icons, and it will also have Google Meet icon. See the Google Meet icon page as you click onto it. Now you have two options here, as you can see. Two ways to start this meeting. First, start a meeting now at the left hand side, as you can see, which begins the meeting immediately. Or you have to let the students know in advance. So to select and click plus schedule a video meeting from Google Calendar. Now it will open your Gmail account calendar. Here in this Gmail account calendar, first you need to add the title. What lecture are you going to conduct? Below that, as you can see, you can select the date and time. For example, here I have selected 30th June, 1 p.m. to 2 hours I'll be taking, but I put 2.5 hours. Half an hour extra is always preferable. Okay. Then once you have done that, you need to basically, after adding your title and your date and your time, select the copy link and paste it on your notepad so that you can share it later via WhatsApp web or email, etc. After saving this, you can basically come back, and here you can add the guests if you have the email IDs already with you. If you have all the email IDs, you can just click, and as the email IDs drop down, you can just select them or type it yourself as you wish. In this, you can add up to 100 participants very easily. After doing that, you can basically save it to your Google Calendar or send this invitation to your guest directly. All the Google participants which you have added, the invitation will be sent, and it will go back to your Google Calendar, where you will find that this meeting which you have already scheduled can be seen, as you can see here. We have already seen how to create Meet link. Now let's conduct the meet. On the day of the meet, first we need to log in to our Gmail account from which we have created the Meet URL. After logging in from the account, we will go to 9 dots at the right hand side corner of the screen, which will drop down the Google Apps. We will click on to the Meet app, which will open to Meet page. But before you conduct the lectures, I would suggest you to add these extensions, which will help you to record the attendance and enable grid view so that you can watch all the participants. To add these extensions, click on right top 3 dots, Google Chrome Control, More Tools, click on Extensions, click on sandwich bar left top corner next to Extensions. In the bottom, click on Open Chrome Web Store. It will open in a new tab. Here we search for attendance. As we type attendance, you will find many options. Click on Add to Chrome. Next, we add another extension. Search for our extension for Grid View. Again, you will find many options. Click on Add to Chrome on Google Meet Grid View. Now your extensions are added. Now we need to go to Meet tab already opened. Now that we have added the extensions, we need to go back to our Google Meet page. And here, when we click a scheduled class, we are going to join. As we are going to join, you find these pop-ups. The one extension which we had added, that was of the attendance. So we place it down so that it doesn't hinder in a view. And then to right hand side corner, three dots, we click to more options, which will go to the setting. Here we are going to first adjust our audio, microphone and the speaker. And while I'm speaking, you can see the bar of the sound moving. This shows that the microphone is working perfectly. Now when we press the test, I can hear a sound which basically confirms that my speaker is also perfect. After this, I come to the video and I select the camera. Because here I have placed two cameras. One is a separate camera and one is in the laptop. So I select whichever I wish, and then when I've selected that, I come back down and select done. Now I'm ready basically to take the lecture. Now as I begin with it, at the scheduled time, I'll start check out. When I press the join, now I'm gone to the meet. When I'm gone to the meet, you will find that different people are going to basically ask you to come in. You need to admit them. Admit the next student and continue till all your students have come here. Now here you can see basically everybody is there in the grid view, whereby I'm at the corner. Now when I select the grid view, I will be basically coming along with the other students. So enable grid view right hand side corner. Include yourself in the grid, and here I am there with all the students. As the students keep on joining, my window will keep on becoming smaller and smaller, and we all will be basically in one size, whereby you can see yourself while taking the lecture as well as see all the students. Here what is necessary, you instruct them to keep the microphones off. The nice thing is this, that you can yourself also mute them, and when you wish they are asking the question, you can unmute them. Here, this is the microphone for my own self. When I don't wish basically my microphone sound should be going, that time I had unmuted myself. The same way when I'm coming to the video, when I don't want my face should be coming, when I'm presenting something, I can basically come to this so that my face won't come, but my mic is on. Okay, now that we are already taking our lectures, there are few features which I would like to show you. Like for example, right hand side here you can see, when you click this, you will come to know all the amount of participants who have taken part into the meeting. Here you can pin them. You can pin yourself, you can pin them, whichever way you may wish to. Further on, as you can see, you have a chat box whereby they can ask you different questions and you can type down your answer here, or you can give your answer verbally. Further down, right hand side corner, you can see here present here. This is a very important feature whereby when you click it, you can open a window whereby you have already kept ready whatever you wish to share, and you can share your PPT. Okay, so this is how your screen is going to look. Your presentation is going on, and when you wish that you don't want to present it, you can come down to stop presenting and go back to your screen. When you go back to your screen, now when your lecture is over, you can one by one unpin them. That is, remove them from your Meet. And this is very important so that it shouldn't happen that you are out and they are sitting down there and talking. Isn't it very simple? There you are. Now you can end the call and your lecture is over. And this portion which is there is saving your attendance. Automatically. You can rate the call if the lecture is fine. Thank you.